Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Realestate Hub. Hopefully you all are fine and doing well in your life. In the previous video we were discuss about the real estate history, tech tips and the career making opportunities, and in this video we will discuss about the generating area. This is capable for any business as such, and real estate is no exception. What brand building basically include is creating a perception in the mind of people so that they trust you and eventually are ready to make a deal with you. Partner with real estate investor. There are many people out these who are ready to invest in that on your advice. This is the basic technique to become a good real estate agent with zero investment, to catch a client and to make them ready to invest in on your advice. This is the main features of the real estate agent. Use investment leverages. There is another good step for people who want to proceed with business with zero investment. The only requirement is to an existing property that can be put up for equity. Make a strong online presences, set a developed properties, close the deal and get a cut. In this video we will tell you about the social media platform which is necessary for real estate agent, such as Google, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and many other social media platforms which are very important and play a key factor role in the real estate industry, and it play a very important role in the growth of the industry, and its industry become higher and higher and show growth in the USA and in the UK, in the Pakistan. For example, in the Pakistan, one of the major website app is Zameen.com. In Zameen.com, different people they give different ad to sell or purchase their property, and Zameen.com is playing a middleman role for as customer services. And it tell how to invest in the properties and do not want to engage in the of dealing and going through the combination provide. You can also be rescue and many other things. As far as we discuss about the Zameen.com, Facebook also a platform to give ahead to the your property plan, and the viewers can engage with you and you get a client from this social media platforms. In Pakistan, many young people have mobile phones and other digital platforms to contact with this Facebook and many other social media apps. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.